Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's pure chaos.
What a fucking shit show.
It's pure chaos.
Okay, Slime Rancher, Portable Edition, new game.
Florida.
Okay, so we're just gonna name this whatever.
Are you gonna name it specifically whatever?
No.
Name it whatever. No.
Okay, I guess that's the name. Adventure, casual, or rush? Let's do adventure, right? Is this one of those games that like take really long to load?
Yes. But that's the only time I've stolen.
The planet is called the Far, Far Range. Oh. Do I oh, okay. You're coming home with me. Can I jump? Okay. This feels kind of wrong. What the fuck am I doing right now? Is this our house? Why? Secret Styles. This seems like a whole bunch of I don't want to read it. What the fuck? I don't want to buy you. Do I have to buy it to go this way? What is this? Is that a chicken? What the fuck am I doing? Oh, oh no! Can I run?
Hold on, I'll whisper. Unless I just shoot him in there.
It goes through the wall? I can go through the wall? What the fuck? You're stuck in here. I should take that, shouldn't I? What is a pink plort? You can go in there too, Mr. Penn.
Oh no, Alyssa, watch.
Is he not supposed to go in there?
It's okay, it's okay. Why would know?
What the fuck? He just fucking ate that! Oh my god. You hurt Mr. Chicken? You die! What the fuck?
Okay, just do the tutorial.
Fuck the tutorial. You die! What the fuck? You're coming home. Oh, get the... Ah! How do I get rid of that? Oh my gosh, I got a new one. And I got strawberry. Alright. Oh shit, I started... I feel like I'm a Ghostbuster. Carrot? Huh? I don't? So what's happening to it? Oh. Okay, I guess I'll go home. Maybe I should watch the tutorial. When slimes eat, they make plorts. To cash in your plort. Okay, first I'm gonna put them in jail. Okay. You guys can sit in your own fucking plort.
Go get the plorts.
Oh my god, this is a fucking mess. No! Oh my god. Why is there so many?
Because you put them. This is all your fault.
Oh. Okay. Oh, is this where I cash it in? Alright. Give me money. Gives you new bucks for your hard-earned plorts. Shoot a plort into the plort market and earn some cash. What about a Q-berry? Okay. I got $200. What did I... Okay, I'm gonna put him in there. Actually, no, he doesn't deserve to be with those pink ones. He needs his own house. Shit. Okay. Okay, I don't want any more pink ones. Oh. That's it. Let me take the carrots. What about that? What can I do with these? Oh, I don't have room?
They're same as for
Carrot. Why are they smiling?
There's no the plorts, Alyssa. The
Oh.
things that make you money, not the stupid pig things that hop around and spawn.
Fine! They can go into the fucking water. I'd rather get the money, baby. Give me the money, baby. Carrot. What is this little chart?
Shows you the stock market of plorts.
Maybe I should plant him. Yeah. Can I like unlock this? Oh, I have enough. Okay. There you go. That's where you live. Here, actually, you know what? I'm gonna give him all the carrots.
Shoot in his face.
No, he's my fave. He gets all the carrots. Did he just escape? Oh no. What the fuck?
He
What?
does have wings.
What the fuck? Get back here. I gave you all my carrots. I'm taking them back. Okay, fine. You guys can have the carrots. Are they growing? Oh my gosh, get the fuck out. How am I supposed to like select what I want to... You can't? You just fucking struggle?
Yeah, you can also buy an upgrade that allows you to suck in, that like collects plorts for you.
Oh. My chicken! He's too fat. Get in there. Oh my, oh shit, I started shooting the wrong thing. I need Mr. Chicken back. I'm struggling with these controls, okay? Here, you know what? We're just gonna store my food in this one with Mr. Chicken. Can Mr. Chicken escape? He can't escape. Ew, he's so ugly. Why does he look like that? Okay. Oh, Chicken! There you go. That one is just for chickens. Oh my god! How did they get out? Get back here!
You sucked them into the air.
Oh my gosh, they should just stay. They should have known.
There is zero game progression happening here.
Hey, I got 16 plorts. What do you want from me? Oh, it's nighttime already? Alright. Oh. That's money, baby. How did you get in here? What the fuck? Did my other chicken escape? Bruh. What the fuck? Fine. Since your friend wants to escape.
This is what happens to bad hands.
You got an achievement for it.
What was the achievement? Cash? I want to go this way. How much did it cost? Oh, never mind.
That's not more to explore, by the way. That's just more like space to build coops. That is the only way to explore, is through there.
Okay. More glowing babies. Oh my god! He's huge! Large slimes are slime hybrids. The smaller slime is a quarter. Why is there so many pink ones?
Because they're just the base slime.
I need more slimes.
You need to go further.
I need more slimes. We have to go save them.
Oh, that's cool. You died.
What? What? I didn't know I was gonna die. Wake up a mob of hungry, unruly slimes. That's not good. That's no good. I lost my whole inventory. Sad. I gotta get my blue boys back. Check on.
There, you made a little bit of game progression.
Blue boy! Blue boy! Get in here. You wanna join the party? Too bad, you get no choice. Okay. Oh, what are you? A tabby slime? Check on! Oh, adorbs. What are these?
They're baby hen hens.
Baby hen hens? Oh, I have to take the babies. Fuck. Okay, fuck that. Oh my god, it's a chickadoo. What does the chickadoo do? They're just babies. Huh?
Notice your inventory's full. You're not picking anything up. Except for chickens.
Give me the babies! Okay.
Go look at them.
Oh, it's a map! I unlocked a little area. Okay. Don't go in water. You will die.
There's so much money just lying on the ground.
Fuck! I keep pressing the wrong buttons.
You just shot a bunch of chickens.
They're gone!
Abyss.
Oh my gosh, they're gone.
Hey, Alyssa, you're not collecting any of those.
Fuck the chickadoos!
Fuck the chickadoo.
Come here, baby. New area. Mr. H, what you got to say? Sealed off. Bring some food to calm them down. Well, I got the carrots. Will that be enough? Death. Oh. Oh, I don't like how the vibes changed. Carrot? Do you want a carrot? He doesn't want the carrot.
You did want a carrot. Look at.
Oh! Oh god, get away, I don't want you. Ah! You know what, I don't need to go this way. I don't need to go that way.
The way the rock ones can spin and hurt you.
Oh. Okay. What is this?
Just a water fountain. It's useful for nighttime.
Aha. Is this a nest? A slime nest?
For chickadees.
A chickadoo nest?
Yeah. Do you need to change the controls? Like you can change like the controller bindings.
No. Chickadoo. Chickadoo.
Listen, you think you need to change the controller bindings?
But the chickadoos. What I really need is to bring all of them home. What What is that? An apple? Where did they go?
I don't know where you shot them.
What do I do?
Keep going forward.
This
there,
way?
Yeah. You have yet to
Instructions were not clear.
It's simply going forward. It's an exploration game like Zelda where you just gotta explore the map.
Ooh, Tabby! Come back. No! Oh my gosh. Did they just get 8 on? No, no, no! Where's the blue boy? Oh my god! No, because I want you. Get the.
That sucks.
Aww. I wanted that white one.
You can't.
Why?
Because that's a special slime that spawns that gives you like really. It gives you money.
Can I not have the money? Oh. Oh, this is death. This is death. This way is death. We'll take the berries. The Q berries. Big one?
He only eats meat.
Get the.
Oh my god, gimme. Gimme. Holy shit.
No, I don't want it to change. I want to get used to it.
Hey, but holy shit, is it painful to see every single time.
It's fine. It's not every time. It's just most of the time. Why do I feel like I'm crouched? Am I crouched?
No, you're just sprinting. You get low when you sprint.
I can't sprint on this?
You can.
Oh. I shouldn't though.
Definitely not.
There's nothing over here. Except that. You're coming home with me, baby. Heartbeat. This is a dangerous game we're playing. Oh my god. No! I just lost everything I just fucking did. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so pissed. Oh my god. Ugh. Die. You know what? Fuck the carrots. My goal is to just get my tabbies back. I had so many. I had so many rock slimes. I had so many blue boys. Give me the blue boys! Give me the blue boys! We're just gonna say fuck it. Ooh. Go, 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 go. What is this? Oh, I need a key? Oh god, now I'm stuck here. We gotta go. We gotta go. Why aren't you running? Run, please, run. Run.
The bottom of the
We gotta go. We gotta go! We gotta go! I just want my tabbies back. I do just want them back. Is that too much to ask for?
Oh, gold slime! A lot of money, like 500 coins.
Wait, what?
Feed the gold slime behind you.
This one?
Feed
What
it.
do I feed him?
Like, you don't have food. Get food. Fast.
Do it! Get food! Logan!
Oh, it's gone.
What is that? awful rotten Doritos? Okay. Get away! What the fuck? Why does he look like that? Aga! Leave me alone! What is this? Treasure pod is locked. Everything is locked! There you go, bitch! He does not eat him?
They're so goddamn fat.
Leave me alone! I just need to go home and regroup. You know what? I'm sick and tired of these fucking. Ooh, what are you? Hello. Visit the range house to manage secret styles.
Oh. You can style the different slimes. Why don't
Leave me alone.
put that gold floor? Look at that.
300.
Yeah, gold
The
slimes are
one-
rare.
And I saw one and I just completely panicked and did
Yes.
not fucking do anything.
Yes.
Did not do what I was supposed to do. Can rock babies leave me? They don't have wings. They can't leave, right? What about the tabbies? They're both gray. They can live in the same pot. So I think we're gonna unlock you. Do I have enough to unlock you? I do have enough. I'm going to put you in here. I think these are my favorite. I don't really like how they leave like a gross little sludge behind them. But you know, it's fine. We got our 3. There's Big Mama Slime. Do you want some carrots? Where are you? Sparkly? So which one did that give it to?
Pink, look at the bottom right. That's what you want to see.
They're Sparkle now? You're not Sparkle.
He's glowing.
Can I collect mushrooms? No.
He's glowing.
Is that it?
What happens when he gets it?
Does he explode?
Maybe he drops something. Maybe it happens to be a key. Maybe.
Okay, I see, I see. Well, we need to get some more food first, so. They are all sparkly! Oh, it's amazing! Go away! We need some food. Here we go. Shat. Okay, that should be enough, right?
Probably.
Oh, it's nighttime. That means we can get the special babies. Alright, there you go, Fatso. Are you for real? That wasn't enough?
Oh,
my
he's a
God.
dog. Look at him. He's shaking. He's quaking.
He can't take any more. Okay, that means we give him more. Death. Alright, Chubsters. Are you ready for your din-din? He's like, open wide. Ew, look at him. They're Sparkle. What is that? Just money?
Yeah.
Wow. And we got the key! Okay, we have to get rid of this.
You don't have the key.
It's a headphone. Okay, let's head back to home base. Headphones? Look at the sky. Oh, look at the moon. It's huge. Okay. Why are they escaping? Why are they mixing? Do they need lids?
You can buy that, or you can make a double wall.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Is that why they're mad?
Yeah, look at the cats.
Oh, they look like zombies. Okay, you guys can share. I only have one. You guys are dumb? Are you dumb? Ew! Stop! Ew! Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's pure chaos.
What a fucking shit show!
It's pure chaos. Okay, this is why generally you only keep 2 to 3 of the same slime. You don't fill cages with them.
Alright, well... Money, baby!
Look above your money, you'll see you have 1 slime key.
You guys can just hit the pause while I figure out your home situation. Oh my god, they're everywhere! Okay, high walls, 350, music box, reduces slime's agitation, air net, covers the top, solar shield, protects slime sensitive to light. I think I'm gonna get that upgrade next so I can let my wing boys out.
Oh, you also need the air net.
Okay, I'll get both then. Wow, that is a lot of monies.
That's how you're supposed to play the game. You're just filling your cages, leaving them hungry, and then picking up only the pink slime plorts, which are the lowest value. Like, look at the plort selling area. Look at the plort stock market.
Leave me alone! Ah!
Like, pink plorts are like 10, and then everything else is over 20.
I'm just simply only picking up the pink ones. I'll pick up you.
That's half.
You fucking zombie! Get out of here!
Half rock, half tabby.
Oh my gosh, they fuck. What are you doing, smiling, hiding back here? I'm done. I think I've had enough of slime today. Comment which key I should use the door. Wait, I said that backwards. Okay, comment which door I should use the key for in the next video, and we'll get to that in part 2.